Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Kumar Srivastava, Faculty of Department of Journalism and Mass Communication from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic of a brief history of television in India. Television came to India on September 15, 1959 with experimental transmission from Delhi. It was a modest beginning with a makeshift studio, a low power transmitter and only 21 community television sets. All India Radio provided the engineering and program professionals. A daily 1 hour service with a new bulletin was started in 1965. In 1972, television services were extended to a second city, Mumbai. By 1975, television stations came up in Calcutta, Chennai, Srinagar, Amritsar and Lucknow. In 1975-76, the satellite instructional television experiment brought television program for people in 2,400 villages in the most inaccessible of the least developed area through a satellite lent to India for 1 year. Doordarshan is a public broadcast terrestrial television channel run by Prasar Bharati abroad, formed by the Government of India. It is one of the largest broadcasting organizations in the world in terms of the infrastructure of studios and transmitters. Doordarshan had its beginning with the experimental telecast started in Delhi in September 1959 with a small transmitters and makeshift studio. The regular daily transmission started in 1965 as a part of All India Radio. The television services was extended to a second city, Mumbai in 1972. Till 1975, only 7 cities were covered by Doordarshan and it remained the city television channel in India. Television services were separated from radio in 1976. Each office of All India Radio and Doordarshan were placed under the management of 2 separate Director Generals in New Delhi. Finally, its existence came into being when Doordarshan became a national broadcaster, one of the largest broadcasting organization in the world in the terms of the infrastructure of studio and transmitters. Recently, it has also started digital terrestrial transmitters. Doordarshan is the only network that is permitted to broadcast television signals. It has also started digital terrestrial transmitters. Doordarshan is the only network that it is permitted to broadcast television signals domestically. In a communications breakthrough for Indian television in July 1995, Doordarshan agreed for a US $1.5 million annual fee and 50% of advertising revenue when it exceeds US $1.5 million to allow CNN to broadcast 24 hours a day via an Indian satellite. Indian television channel Doordarshan offers national, regional and local services of Indian television viewers. DD became national when it started to telecast national program in the year 1982. In the same year, color televisions were introduced in the Indian market. The first color program were the live telecast of Independence Day parade on 15th August 1982, followed by the Asian Game being held in Delhi. The 80s was the era of Doordarshan with soaps like Hum Log 1984, Bunyad 1986 to 87 and mythological dramas like Ramayana 1987 to 1988 and Mahabharata 1988 to 1989 glued millions to Doordarshan. Other popular programs included Hindi film songs based program like A Chitrahar and Rangoli, followed by the crime thrillers like included Hindi film song based program like Chitrahar and Rangoli, followed by the crime thrillers like Karamchand, starring Pankaj Kapoor, Vyomkesh Bakshi and Janki Jasoos. Now, more than 90% of the Indian population receive Doordarshan program through a network of nearly 1400 terrestrial transmitters. About 46 Doordarshan studios are presently producing TV program. Currently, Doordarshan operates 19 channels, 2 all India channels, 11 regional languages, satellite channels, 4 state networks and international channels, a sports channel and 2 DD and 2 channels for live broadcast for parliamentary proceedings. On DD1 national program, regional program and local program are carried on time sharing basis. DD News channel was launched on 3rd November 2003, which replaced the DD Metro Entertainment channel that provides 24 hours news services. The regional language satellite channel have 2 components: the regional services for the popular state relayed by all terrestrial transmitters in the state and additional program in the regional language in prime time and non-prime time available only though cable operator sports channel is exclusively devoted to the broadcasting of sporting events of national and international importance. This is the only sports channel which telecast rural sports like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, etc. Something which private broadcasters will not attempt to telecast as it will not attract any revenues. Doordarshan is often criticized for low quality of program and sometimes even poor telecast and presentation in quality. Additionally, since it is not a profit and loss enterprise like private channel, Sun Network or Zee TV or Sony TV or Star Plus, it does not have the requisite push for better programming. Despite being heavily funded and protected by the government, many cities have pointed out that its second priority. However, Rani Contradict is more interested only in cricket matches and has addicted its so-called responsibilities in favor of monetary gains and political dealing. Prasar Bharati Broadcasting Corporation of India is India's national public broadcasters. It is a board nominated by the Government of India. It comprises Doordarshan Television and All India Radio, which was established in November 23, 1997. It was due to the demand that government-owned broadcast in India should be given autonomy like those in many other countries. The Parliament of India passed an act to grant this autonomy in 1990, but it was not enacted until September 15, 1997. Doordarshan is one of the largest broadcasting organizations in the world in terms of infrastructure of studio and transmitters. Recently, it has also started digital terrestrial transmitters. Gone are the days of Indian television serials with which the people could relate. The journey from Doordarshan to Zee, Sony and Star Plus has been a long one. Indian soap had its humble beginning in Hum Log, the first ever TV serial to be broadcast by Doordarshan, the Soul TV. This was a story of an Indian family that a large section of people could identify with. People could relate to the characters, their happiness and sorrows. Over the year, Doordarshan has presented many popular and crossing serials. For example, वागले की दुनिया, ये जो है जिंदगी, नुक्कड़, Rajni, and the list goes on. The common theme across all those stories was the background setting which reflected everyday life struggles, failure and triumphs. These serials had an underlying positive message, uploading traditions, moral values, and strengthening the fabric of Indian culture. From the mid 1990s, cable TV brought about a home entertainment revolution. Doordarshan found itself struggling to compete with the network of private owned quality entertainment channels powered by commercial and latest technology. Doordarshan made an effort to catch up, but like most state owned efforts, soon become lackluster in comparison to the gilds and glamour of Zee, Sony, and Star Plus. The following are some major landmarks in the history of Doordarshan. 15 September 1959, experimental transmission from Delhi. 24th October 1961, school television for Delhi students. 15th August 1965, regular services with daily news bulletin in Hindi. 26 January 1967, Krishi Darshan program for farmers. 15th August 1999, DD News and Current Affairs channel test transmission on the eve of formal launch of Doordarshan DTH services by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Prasar Bharati said that it has set a target of 2 million subscribers by end 2005 and increasing channel capacity to 50 by June next. On the occasion of a Doordarshan of DD Direct Plus, the brand name under which DD World market it free DTH services, Prasar Bharati CEO KS Sana said by December 2005, we hope to have a subscriber base of 2 million, which may help the platform net additional private TV channels. DD Direct Plus is a free to DTH service offering 32 FTA TV channels, including 13 private ones and 12 customized radio channels. A subscriber would have to make a one-time investment of 3,000 rupees and rupees 3,500 on the hardware and pay no monthly subscription fee, unlike the country's DTH services. Marketed by Zee Telefilm under the Dish TV brand name. DD Direct Plus, beginning through NSS 6 satellite, includes all DD channels apart from the like of BBC World, Sun TV, Star Utsav, from the Zee stable Karaili TV, Zee Music and Smile TV, Jain TV, Aaj Tak and Headlines Today. The radio channels include all India radio channels and according to the words given by the Prime Minister, DTH is reaching now to the mass of media in a huge way with all facilities. National broadcasters Doordarshan has launched 2 new channels in the public interest. Speaker Somnath Chatterjee and Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman Bhairav Singh Shekhawat did the honors by the flagging of the 2 satellite channels. It was his intention that to telecast the proceeding live of both the houses of parliament. Chatterjee's idea of the exposing the honorable members in live telecast of their action in parliament with a hope that it will improve their behavior, which will cost of taxpayer of reported rupees 12 billion annually for each of the channel. Now, Doordarshan and local channel of Doordarshan as Doordarshan North East services are available in Tata Sky 2, our satellite tele services.